Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play the five string blues scale. The five string blues scale. All right? And don't forget to subscribe and like. Now, let me show you what the five string blues scale looks like and sounds like. Again. Now, if you're going to be jamming with blues and rock and roll, this is probably the most important scale you'll play. Now, this scale is the same as the minor pentatonic, except the blues scale has a flatted fifth. So there's one extra note in there, but that one note makes a big difference, okay? So let me show you the scale and what that note is, too, okay? For this scenario, I'm going to show you the C blues scale, the C blues scale. So I'm going to hop on my root note, being the C. So on the fifth string, third fret, fifth string, third fret, using my index finger, I'll play that C. Then on the fifth string, sixth fret, using my pinky finger, I'll play that note. Then on the fourth string, third fret, use my index finger, I'll play that note. Now I'm going to play that flatted fifth, which makes that blues scale different than the minor pentatonic. So with my middle finger on the fourth string, fourth fret, I'll play that note. Then on the fourth string, fifth fret, using my ring finger, I'll play that note. So far it sounds like this and looks like this. Then on the third string, third fret, use my index finger, I'll play that note. Then on the third string, fifth fret, using my ring finger, I'll play that note. Then on the second string, on the fourth fret, I use my middle finger. I'll play that note. Then on the second string, sixth fret, using my pinky, I'll play that note. Now I'm going to play that flatted fifth note again. So when that's right here on the first string, second fret with my index finger. So that's that flat. So if I come to the beginning again, I go. You know, that's your flatted fifth. Then you just slide it up. Slide it up there to the first string, third fret. Slide that index finger up. And then you end it here using that pinky sliding up. So on the first string, sixth fret, use your pinky finger, hit that note. Then you walk it up to the first string, eighth fret with that pinky. So let me play that whole scale from the beginning. Now again, we're playing the C blues, but you can take that form and move it all over the fretboard. If I wanted to go up two frets on the fifth string and play that D, it would become the D blues scale. So you can just move that form up and down. So that's probably most common 5-string blues scale. All right. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Practice that scale, get it down. Check out my other videos on my other scales. But again, this is a real common scale that you're going to use. You're going to need to know. So practice it, get used to it, and keep on jamming. All right.